Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving deep into the most glamorous, occult, and blood soaked decade of cinema, the 1970s. I was heavily inspired by the retro occult aesthetic of The Love Witch, but I wanted to make it darker and more cool classic, so we are channeling the raw, satanic cult energy of the girls from I Drink Your Blood and the ultimate gothic siren Ingrid Pitt in Carmilla. We are doing these heavily saturated purple shadow blocks and a sharp 70s cut crease, huge cat eyeliner, and those iconic spiky doll lashes. We'll keep the lips completely nude for ensure all the focus stay in this hypnotic vintage gaze. If you want to look like you just stepped out of a grainy 35mm horror film, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start by putting my super thick layer of my sunblock that is white because it's made out of zinc. Because I don't have any foundation, to be honest, and I want to mimic this vampire super pale look. After this, I'm gonna apply concealer in my eye bags and surrounding my nose. After blending everything out with my fingers, now I'm going to apply a purple eyeshadow from my purple palette. But like huge amounts of it. We want deep and saturated purple eyeshadow or blue. It's up to you. It could be blue, it could be green. It depends on your skin tone and what you want to achieve. Okay, now that I blended everything seamlessly, my purple block in my eyelid, I'm gonna add some lighter purple in my inner corners of the eyes. Now I am applying this line to the eye socket to define my crease. It's a pencil, but I am dipping it into a darker shadow of purple. You could skip this step, but I am lining first with my pencil, and over that I want to line it with my liquid liner. I did it because it just looks better. Now I'm lining like I would normally do, but if you do your eyeliner shorter or thinner, you could just go exaggerated with it. Now I'm heating my eyelash curler and I'm curling my lashes with a little bit of heat so they stay up for longer. Mascara time, yay! For the lower lashes, I'm doing this doll-like trick where you put a lot of mascara in your lower lashes and squeeze them together in little groups so they will look thicker, way thicker, like if you're wearing falsies. Okay, this part is key in this makeup because we're trying to achieve this Ingrid Pitt vampire look with eyeliner up and eyeliner down. We want to do this straight line, like from the center of your eye to the end of your upper tail, I guess. Yeah. You just keep lining over it until you get it. I know it's a little bit hard for me to do it, but it looks nice. Now I am applying the same super light purple shadow that I applied in my inner corners. I am applying it in the outer corners so it's more defined. It's time for the fake lashes, and this is also key in this makeup. If you don't have false lashes, you can just put a lot of mascara, but false lashes are key in this process. I swear, they're key. It just makes your eye look way more dramatic, and it achieves the look, this dramatic, huge eye look that we're going for. Eyebrows weren't so dark or thick, so I'm just filling my gaps. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you try it out, please tag me or leave me in the comments. I would love to see it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.